Okay, you can start.
Okay, hello guys, welcome to Total Technology. This is Supratim, and today we have also Ronnie with us. And this is gonna be another web scraping video of cardeco.com. It is a pioneer Indian portal of getting your new or old car. So basically, before starting, Ronnie, you want to tell this about it something?
Yes, hi guys, this is Ronnie once again. So today, this is Sunday. Like last week, we did one like kind of interactive video session, me and Supratim, cause definitely I want to learn something from Supratim. That is why I actually personally insisted him that we should do it together. So like by using this kind of live meeting session, it will help always, like when he's busy with coding, then I can explain the things, then it will be also like directly or indirectly helping me to learn something, as well as for the students or the viewers to understand the each and every explanation of the code. Because sometimes if you're writing code, you will definitely like kind of like you will actually not able to concentrate or like explaining each and everything. So that is why we decided that we should do it in this way. So this is going to be very interesting like video. Actually, it was kind of one of the freelancing website like project for web scraping. So what I what we saw that someone from India is actually ready to pay for, let's say, like 500 US dollar for this thing. So so that is why like it was kind of popular there for last 1 month. It was there, and no one actually bidded for that. Like we thought of doing it, and after that we actually told that guy that we have the solution ready, but we don't want to ask for any money, because we are going to publish the video anyways to the YouTube, so you guys can have our solution without any cost. But but in future, if you're having some sort of requirement, that then definitely you have to contact us, then we can give you some sort of solution. So this is actually real time real world project from freelancing.com, and the project worth was like 40,000 INR, and in US dollar it is 500 US dollars. So this is very important and interesting. So stay tuned guys, we'll be we'll teach you like some unique techniques and tools. Tools means when I said about tools, it is definitely Beautifulsoup. I'm not sure whether it is going to be on Selenium. I think not, because we did the testing like couple of weeks ago. But again, yeah, Supratim is going to do it again with the fresh. But we have the source code. Probably we can share the source code with you again. But you know, this HTML and CSS things are keeps changing, so that is why you are not like referring to the old code. But again, after this video, we'll see if the code is same, then we can use the old code, because the old code is kind of a bit detailed document, because we already shared that code with the guy. So that is why. But again, this is going to be the fresh coding session, and again, if you are facing some sort of error, we'll be going to debug those things then and there. So I'm actually in advance, we are actually um, asking sorry for that. And again, you know, this is normal programmer's life, that debug and like code or error fixing should be there. Until and unless you are not fixing your code, you'll not be able to learn. You can go and do it from the Google or Stack Overflow, directly copy and paste, but that is not going to help you. First, write the code, get the error, try to fix, search Google, get something from Stack Overflow, then fix. Then it is the ideal or actual workflow. So we are following that approach only. Okay, then it is, I think, lots of talking. I'm not going to bore you guys anymore. So let's start the video. Okay, Shupratim, over to you.
Yeah. So basically, this is the website which we are talking about. It is a cardeco.com portal for getting your new car or used car or upgraded cars and other things, news, reviews, comparison, everything you will get in this portal. And obviously, we are not promoting this site. Actually, we are explaining what is the site. So basically, so if you want to scrape the data of cars, let us say suppose we want to scrape data for used car in a particular city. You can see here there are city already listed here in Indian continent like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kolkata. And if you click on more cities, it will give you all the cards in your city and will definitely ask for the location. So let us say suppose we want to scrap the data of the cars of Kolkata. So we will basically select it. And this part you can also do it by Selenium. We actually explained in all our others videos of Selenium with Beautiful Soup how you can use the same data and click keys by finding the HTML, CSS selector or XPath. So we are not going to waste our time by doing it through Selenium. So let us check this URL. So this is the URL we are going to use. And if you see here, the car pick, the name, the price, the kilometer run, whether it is petrol or not, and the location of the car, all is listed here. And if you scroll down, basically it will load the page automatically. So to find the actual URL, we will go to the inspect and try to find it here in network. So let us scroll and okay, let us, we have enough scrolled. Let us check here in the inspect what we have got here, if anything related to it. Uh, Here is something we have found. By API it is calling. Let us check in the query string parameter. So it is from page 20, I guess.
Well,
So let us.
it's mean page 20 mean this page from will be zero because you just scroll one time. So I think this is a 20 20 20 kind of like every time it is 20 increasing by 20. So it will start from zero, then 20, then 40 like this, I believe. Right? Last time, if I remember this correctly.
Yes, yes, right. Well, let us scroll to another page. Then, yeah, if you check here, and then after 20, it is will be coming as 40.
Yes.
So that's it. We have grabbed the URL. Just right click on it, copy, and copy it as a call command. And we will then use is a website called call to Python.
But again, you can do it by your own just to like kind of dictionary formatting. We're just using it. Like, see, it is like the headers and other things are there, but you can directly do it from the Chrome like network. Everything was there. So just we do not want to like do some sort of mistake. That is why we use this again. Like you need to, as I told you, like we'll be teaching you all the tools. So this is one of the tool like Python call converter.
Okay, so basically we have pasted it here, import request, and we'll change this to say 0, and let us change this to a text file, the response, and see whether something is coming or not. So basically, let us first print the response and see what is coming. Okay, so here we are getting some dictionary value, I think. Uh, it will be better if we copy this and inspect what we have it here. So if we check here, it is a dictionary where we need to extract the values from here. Let us check whether we have some car and other data type having here. Okay, here are the car model type, I guess. It's the OEM. So basically we need to extract the car dictionary from here. So do we need to change it in JSON?
Yes, import JSON. So guys, this is kind of a very unique thing for those who are actually interested to learn like ethical hacking or penetration testing. So you guys can see like how you use the common Google Chrome network tool. So this is one of the tools. So first tool was like request, then Beautifulsoup, then third tool was call, then fourth tool is Google networking tool. So if you know how to use Google networking tool, I think 50% of your cyber security like penetration testing, ethical hacking jobs are done. So just see how we like actually took the API call from one request, and after that we are manipulating the request with like different headers and parameters. Like yes, so the page frame is the parameter, and we'll be using that. So it is kind of unique. The search thing is there. So if you know these things, if you know how to do it, then you can play around with this thing. And this is, I think, mostly the all the penetration testing and ethical hacking with respect to cybersecurity, those are actually familiar with cybersecurity, ethical hacking and penetration testing. For them it will be easier just because we are from the same department or the domain. So I'm just going to explain all these things. So if you know Python, if you know how to do the things properly, if you can think analytically or logically, then the world is yours, so you can do anything. So by doing this sort of tutorial, actually you are eliminating like the fear of doing some sort of API related, like if you're having, okay, what is API? No, no, there's nothing like that. So API is kind of interface where you can call from the outside, or if you can access from outside, if you know the credential, or if you're having the credential, if you know the API like data format, like how you are going to like get the data and how you are going to output. So 4 or 5 things we are doing it simultaneously. That is why I'm here. Like if you see say Supratim is writing code, then he's actually very much concentrating on writing the code. So someone should be there to explain each and everything. So the Google network tool is the one of the most important tool. You guys should know how to use that, and if you know that, then you can do anything. So now Supratim is actually checking the dictionary, like what are the attributes are required. You see there is a multiple key value pair. So actually this is the whole website data. So you have in your hand. So life is kind of amazing, right? So I know for the one who are actually doing this, or like watching this for the first time, for them it will be complex. But guys, I will highly recommend you to follow our web scraping playlist. It has amazing tutorial, like more than 10 tutorials. All are the biggest websites from India. When I'm saying Indian biggest, these are two definitely work, because India is one of the largest digital economy, not the largest economy but digital economy, because Indian population is used use internet like none other country. Like probably China is there, but again India should be in the third or second position by in terms of data volume use, or like mobile data use or internet use. Everything is digital. So that is why we target the websites from India, because they are hugely like populated with different types of data. No, you're not targeting Amazon or Flipkart, because Flipkart, I think Supratim already did, I think, but Amazon we are not targeting, because someone else already did in the Amazon, in the YouTube. You guys can see those tutorials. So as I told you, we're not going to do the same videos again and again, which is already there in the website or YouTube. Okay, so see how Supratim is doing. So in this line, he just parsed the data in the form of JSON, and again he's trying to print. So the data came in the form of this dictionary, and after that, he's now trying to get the attributes which is actually relevant. So Supratim will explain that.
So if you guys see here, the dictionary we are having, actually we need the value from here, from cars, and it is ending, I guess, at here. So to access this uh, key car and its value, we need to iterate through the dictionary. So basically we will do it the first. Here is data, and the second one is cars. Let us print the data here now.
Nice.
Okay.
So what I will recommend you, just to just for the viewers, like kind of like awareness, just to show them the length of this data. It should be 20, because every page is having 20 records. So I just want you that you should show them that what is the length of how many cars are
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, so it should be 20. See.
So it is coming as 20, as Oni said, and here is the dictionary for each car we are having, and we will iterate through it. So
So now we're going to iterate.
so if we inspect the dictionary here, this my year is actually manufacturing year, and BT is, I guess, it is build type, whether, sorry, hatchback or sedan or something, and then FT is fuel type, KM is kilometer it runs, IT I don't know what it is, and in PI actually it is having the image of the car.
Mm-hmm.
Also, if you have gone here, it is PU is the sale value 2.3 lakh, and in Devian actually we have the name of the car, Maruti Zen Stelvio VXI BS4, and then if you go further, OEM is Maruti, model Maruti Zen Stelvio. In VID the same thing is there, and in city it is Kolkata, and if you see the v link, it is like the actual page, it is the seller page. So this amount of data we are going to extract from this dictionary. So let us say the first thing we are going to manufacturing here. So manufacturing here equal to I dot my year, I guess.
So guys, you can see that this is nothing kind of like hard code memorization. So you have to understand the data structure, like with respect to JSON or dictionary, and from there you have to develop your logic. So if you're going to think that if you can do it by copy pasting from Stack Overflow or somewhere else, or no, this is not going to work. And again, if you're going to watch our video after that, if you think that you know now the complete web scraping, no, this is also not going to be the same. So you have to do some sort of project, take one small example, try to apply your own logic, and if you are having some sort of like issues and other thing, just come back to us. We'll definitely help you. We are here to help you. That is why we are doing this sub long videos, tutorials and all.
So let us first print this, whether it is coming the manufacturing year properly or not. So as you can see, we have got the result here, which already have printed. This print 20 is the length which we have printed here. We can omit it here. So let us iterate through it, and then we will going to bt is equal to, let me just copy it. It is bt, and after that it is fuel type ft, then the kilometer it runs, so km, and after that if you need the image, then it's pi, or you can say img, under it's pi, and after that the pu, the price. And then you can get the city v-link and okay, OEM and model and vid. So OEM, model, vid, and then you can also get the city and v-link. Here for city, and v-link. V-link is actually the external link here. Okay, now let us Okay, if we inspect it here, actually we are going to save this as a CSV file. So let me define that in here. Let me import IO for that, and with IO dot open, let us our name this as Kolkata cars dot CSV. And we will open it as a writable file. So the parameter will be W and encoding will be UTF. As F1, so F1 dot write. So we are going to write this value. So first let us say it will be manufacturing year. So manufacturing year, as it is a comma separated value, we are going to separate it by comma. Okay, then it's vehicle type or build type, so we can write build type. Then you have the fuel type, then the kilometer, and then the image URL you also have. So image URL, and then you have a price model, price model, and OEM. Okay, OEM, then it's Wheat and City.
Who is this guy?
There is some noise outside, all the doors are opened.
Okay.
Okay, we have to take in the city, Wheat, and now the external link. So you can say it by seller link, and after that
Oh my God. Is he also shooting some video or like that? What is he doing?
no, actually he is selling some, he is not selling, he is actually for grabbing some old newspapers and all the scrap things.
Okay. He's also scrapping at actually.
Yes.
Okay.
So okay, so let us now close this. So f1 dot close. Okay, now let us remove this print screen and let run this code and see whether some error is there. I guess it is working, but no okay message or something is coming. Don't know why.
Which OK message? Where is the OK?
Hmm.
Where is the OK message we have written?
No, no, actually, if the code is completed, then something should come now. Like
Ta-
okay,
No, it's terminated. It's showing there. It means there is no error. It's fine.
okay. So actually, if we see here, here is in kilometer reading, there is some comma here. So if we need to remove those commas, otherwise it will not save it in the CSV correctly, because if the comma separated value, it will create some error. So let me change that also. Kilometer dot replace. This is a string replace we are using, and we are replacing with none. Uh, and let us inspect other element also. Let us change in the dvn or vid. So that you can do it in later part also, but when we are earlier executed the code, we have found some problem due to this. Let us execute. Okay, and if you see here in vlink, the actual link is missing here. I mean the cardeco.com. So we can concatenate it while saving in the CSV. So let us save this in one variable, say scrapped data is equal to our manufacturing year plus, it will be separated by comma, then your BT. Let us copy this thing. So next is BT, then is fuel type, so it's FT. Now the kilometer will come, then the image URL, and then it is the PU, means price, and then the OEM, then the model, then the vid, and city and vlink. So vid, city, and then our vlink. Now for vlink, we want to concatenate one more thing. So basically it will be our URL cardeco.com. So let us copy this from here, https cardeco.com.
Yes, actually this link is not complete, so that is why we need to concatenate that using like used car slash the one which he has highlighted. So that is why he is doing the concatenation. So or else it will not be any like it will not be useful actually. Okay. So these are the things as I told you. Like you have to apply your own logic. You have to think analytically, and it is like pure like normal normal thing, like anyone can do it, like nothing is actually a kind of rocket science thing for this.
Okay.
I think this
So
is,
here our this
yes.
let us just come check with this part with the header we have declared it,
Okay.
actually here it is fuel type kilometer image your price model OEM weight city price model OEM weight city price. So here will be model
think
and here will be
someone is talking very loudly. I think I
yes.
think you have done something wrong at your home, so that is why probably.
No, not I am doing something wrong. There is some maid is there and he might be doing something wrong. That's why mom is shouting, I guess.
You can do the work. Like why you need maid? You are very hardworking.
In India, I guess you have also have some maid in your home.
No, no, I do my own work.
You do your own work at your home where you are currently staying in Germany. But what I am saying in India, you might be having some maid in your home.
No, I believe in self dependence.
Okay, okay. I will check that later. After few months, we will be coming. No, at that time, I will check.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So this is
Okay,
now
so
the
let
fine.
us write this again in our so-called CSV with
There is
io dot open.
there is an indentation problem.
Now it should not be an indentation problem.
Mhm.
Okay, with io dot open, your CSV is uh, Kolkata cars dot CSV. So Kolkata cars dot CSV, we will open it and append in new line each and every time the for loop iterates. So basically we will do here an A and as usual encoding will be like UTF-8. So what's the other encoding we can use on it?
There are many things, but I think ANSI is there, UTF is there. I think there is some other encoding is also there, like how, like for getting those like characters, like which is it not normal, like what you say, like normal Roman characters. So it's there, like you can
Okay,
use that. If you use this io dot open and with the two double question mark in like to get the function signature or the method signature, it will show you.
okay, okay, understood. So F2 dot close and our data will be scraped data.
So why you are closing every time?
Sorry, it is F2 dot write. Why I am writing close?
Hmm.
And after that, a
New
new
line.
line.
I think new line.
Okay,
New line
now
is wrong. This is that other slash. Is this the right slash for new line?
it is this one.
Yes, yes. I think this is the right one. I'm not sure. I also, but I think this
This
is the right
okay.
one. Hmm.
Let's change that. So
No,
let us.
why you are closing every time? Like you can close it after at the end.
This is the end. Uh, okay, you are saying to close after the for loop.
Yes. Means at the, yes, right here. No, no, no. So this everything is in within the for loop, right? Yeah, you can, yes, you can do like this, but then there will be I'm not sure. Let's just try this thing. Then the function will, the program will be much efficient. Okay, let's run this thing. But I think this should
Okay,
some error. I think let's run this thing. Just run. Let's check whether it is showing some error or not for this close thing.
and let us change this value to also in string.
No, no, I think it is not required.
Not required. Okay,
Let's
let's
check
run
if
this.
we are getting any error, then we'll do it. Okay, encoding is invalid keyword. Encoding. The spelling is wrong.
Okay.
Okay, it's done. Just check the files. It's very fast. Check. Refresh. Yes, it's open. See the guys, the CSV has generated just because he has selected default program to open CSV Excel. So that is why this Excel thing. So otherwise everything is fine. Cool. Looks nice. How many cards are there in this page? 20, right?
20, right?
Yes.
So
So
as you can see, the manufacturer here have come build type, fuel type, kilometer it runs, image URL.
everything is there. So I
Yeah.
think you should run the full code
For
now.
this part, price part, this has some problem. As I see the model number, it is getting 0. So the price part, we need to remove any comma. I guess it is having some
Yes, right,
comma.
right, right. Just check it.
Let us change this and change this to PU. Okay, close this file and check again. We will check it again. And let us run this code again. Okay. Yeah, now it is correct, I guess.
So, could you please also write one line like if there is some this lags and other thing, could you please like just cause lag is not coming every time, but again it is fine. Like some of the cases it is showing lag and some of the cases it is showing only numerical values. It is fine. So it is not our fault. It is coming from the website. So like it's fine.
We can do that string replacement, but let us run the entire code for this Kolkata location because we have only have
20.
done for this 20 numbers. So for that, let us first open the web page here and okay. So card in Kolkata is having 1088. We need to then this number.
Divided by 20.
Yeah, to check how many times the loop will iterate. So to do that, we will again let us go to car and then Kolkata. Oh no, it is showing 1087. So we need how to get that. Actually, I am going to use Beautifulsoup for this. So let us say response 1 is equal to first just get the URL request
So guys, now
1
we need to put
equals
that value like 1068, because this is, we can do it like directly by dividing by 20, but again this is not going to be the dynamic programming. So for that we need to get the value from the website, and then and there we need to divide, and so that we'll be able to get the actual times of the like counter, or the like how many times loops are going to like execute actually. So yeah, it's like nice. See, like this, all the all these things are normal logic. If you know, if you know how to think, and I think thinking is the one of the most hardest job in this world. So if you can think, then you can do anything. So you have to battle within your mind. So if you are strong within your mind, and if you can think, that's it. You can do anything.
why it is showing as undefined variable.
Requests. Why you put one? Yes, now it will work.
Okay.
Sometimes experts ask normal questions. It's normal. Like, don't get offended.
I know that. So we are going to parse it in XML. So
Request one. Yes.
now data 1 is equal to our read one dot select.
And he's
Now
going
we
to
are going to
the HTML tag for this, and we'll get the value. So this is again kind of reverse engineering, social engineering, whatever you can say. Ultimately, it is actually like
so as you can see it is under div class gs0. So let us
gs
select this
dot gs0 gs underscore row
and then
dot txt. I think will
you
work.
read directly.
Let's check. I'm not sure. Or many things will come. I think we need to get the attribute from the count. I think all the text values will be coming if you do like this, right? There are many text.
Yeah, that is.
Yes.
So let us iterate through for loop, I guess. For I in
See the same guy.
data one.
Oh my god. He's singing.
Not thinking he is same guy is selling some scrapping the scrapping the who bought scrap material from home.
Okay.
So data one is equal to say loop is equal to your number is equal to I dot find all, and we are going to find this span class count. So we are going to do this like span and then going to select the class and its attribute is count. Correct? Hello.
Yes, yes, it will work.
Let's check what it is printing. I think, okay. So this is the, think it is giving some empty values. So we are going to uh, dot text will now work, but there will be two times I guess it will come in.
Right.
Okay. So loop number is equal to loop number.
Dot txt.
This will work.
Just run this thing.
Huh?
Let's run this thing.
Okay. No.
What it is
Loop
saying?
number has no attribute text.
No, no, it is loop number 0. So this is list, right? You have to use 0. Then it will work.
Then I guess it will be a get text.
No, just do text. Let's see. Not sure.
Dot text.
Yes, yes. Not sure. It should work or list index out of range. So it means that one is not. This is not loop actually. So if length of loop is greater than 0, then only it should go. Yes, greater than 0.
Yes, two time it is coming. So we just need it once.
Okay, do one thing. Just give me the control once.
Okay. Just a second. Where is our go to meeting? Yeah.
Hmm. Here we can do something like let's execute this thing. Okay, so
That is into this.
okay, so two times it is coming. So you can do something like so the length of this thing is 2, right?
Right. We can just use any one na, loop. Say 0 or 1.
So okay, so
Like I am saying, if we print here loop number say 0,
Mm-hmm. Ah, yes, right.
Then what?
It will print only once.
Yeah.
It
Why it is giving?
it is taking the last one actually. That is why. Okay, then what we'll do? Let me just do one thing. If loop greater than zero, text and now print. Okay, perfect. Now you can use it.
Okay. So basically, we are going to change that. Say loop number to and loop is equal to int integer.
Mm-hmm.
So number.
So that why he is doing it in integer. So let me explain you. So guys, this is string. So we are going to do some sort of division. So division is only going to work on numbers. So that is why you have to either change it to integer or float, but not string. String cannot be divisible by any of the numerical numbers. So that is why he did it. Okay. So point.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And so number count is here. Let us do another for loop for I in range of
Number of count.
number of count.
No, it is not length. This is not string. So only number of count.
Oh yeah, it is not. Okay. So at that time, loop, or you can say dd is equal to dd plus 20. It will start from 0, I guess, from here. And here we are going to change the page from to dd.
But initially it will be 0, right? Then 20. So after like one execution, it will be added with 20. So not from the beginning with 20. Or else we will be going to miss the page one, right?
Uh-huh.
So it will be added at the bottom of the loop after one iteration.
Hmm.
Go down, go down, go down.
So,
When you are going to write this thing, just same inline with width. Not here, not here. No, no, no. Here. Yes.
okay. Now I guess we need to correct the indentation here.
Shift right. So there is option right click shift right.
Right click, shift right.
Just right
Okay,
click
right click.
shift right. See this is there. You have to select which one you want to
Also
do.
select the.
Then you
We
have to
can do that.
yes, yes. It will be automatically right.
Okay, okay. So let us select from here. Okay.
Up to DD, I think, not the whole one. No, 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 from with. It will be start from with. Yes, yes. Shift right. Now you have to change this thing. Here you have to change. Yes, these two things. I think everything is okay.
What is this?
No, it's not required. Just delete.
From where it's come?
Now run this thing. Let's see.
Okay, now run this and let's check. So let us print the length here also. So we can check. Why it is giving 000.
In some pages it is coming 0. Why? Oh, so first 3 pages it is working, right?
Hmm.
Okay. What is this thing? Like number count? This one, this number count is giving you some sort of like this float, I think.
It
No,
has printed nothing.
this number
This
count.
one number count. No, I already give it as integer, so it
Okay.
will.
Just check what is coming
mm,
actually. Oof, why this is like
okay,
this?
number count, and let us print here also the DD. We should print here the DD also.
Yes.
It is 54. It's correct.
Mm-hmm.
After
Okay.
1200.
You didn't stop the loop. Why it is coming 0?
Where?
Why it is printing 0 after 1200? What was the condition for this loop? Main condition for I in range number of count. So this is going to iterate 54 times, right?
No, 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 no. Why it is?
After 1200, why it is 0? Yeah, after 1200 it is 0, but 780. Okay, there is problem with some looping indentation, I think. That is why it is not going properly.
This is.
This is fine. Up to this case, everything is fine. Not here, from the below. From here, actually, check everything properly. Go down slowly. Yes,
This will be all in the loop.
this is fine. This is also fine. This is also fine. Now this thing.
F2 dot close should be in the loop, I guess.
There is one more loop. Yes, it will be in the loop. Yes, but
Hmm?
it will be here. Okay. Print dd. Print dd will be like not here. Actually, this will be. Yes, it is here. Actually, this is fine. But okay, print dd will be here actually. That is why it is not printing. So
But actually, it is not also printing something in the CSV also. Let me check whether I have changed the correct parameter here. Page from, yeah, DD. Okay.
now run this thing again. Indent. What is the problem? Okay. No, this will not work. Actually, it is within the loop. It should be outside of the loop. It will be there actually. Hmm. And this print probably here. And thing we should. Okay, let's not close this file. Okay, just run this thing like this. Something is happening.
See, the first three time it is printing. Yeah, it is now working.
It is working.
Yeah.
Well, so there is some indentation problem, so that is why we should use like always methods like kind of like modular approach. But again, we do not have some sort of like that much of time because we are doing the code then and there and like fixing it. So as I told you, like there will be error, but this is normal minor error. Don't worry, guys. So like we are allowed to do some mistakes. So it's fine, but at the end, like here, when the code is going to finish, we can just close the file. That's it. Now again the indentation is wrong. It should be like here. I think this is done, right?
Yeah. Let's check. It is only
It is only printed
right
20.
first page. Yes. Let us run this again.
No, this will also not work. We need to. Then there is no other option. We need to close the file and open every time. Okay, wait here. Now open it. Is it the file we are looking for, or should we delete? I think delete this thing. Yes. Why this is not printing anything? This is kind of strange. Well, don't worry, it will come. So I open in between, so that is why the error. So let's close this thing and start writing, try to generate this thing again. Wait. So let it finish first. Now try to refresh and open. Why this is only printing for the first time? Not sure what is the problem here. Okay, okay, do one thing. Okay, so you did the mistake over here. So that is why the mistake.
The first one should be append, no?
Yes.
Hey, right?
No. No,
Both the ones should be append.
yes, every time the loops runs, it will actually um, this delete. Okay, you have to stop this thing, terminate,
But
where, where it is actually generating your file. Let me check. Here, which drive? D.
I don't know.
Come on. Then refresh this thing. Okay, close this thing. Run this thing. Okay, one more mistake you did. So every time it will be append. So problem is not here. Problem is actually with this code. Okay, so what we have to do, what we have to put here. Okay, and here you can give something like append or like that doesn't matter. So terminate and run again. Run again.
It is already completed.
No, it will not come actually. Every time the row will be printed. See, many times the header will be printed.
Hmm.
Well, some kids are playing in your area. Well, it's working, working, working. Fine, fine. Open. Wait. Yes, now it is fine. It's going on. So we are done, I think. Don't open now. Increasing, increasing. So this is a simple mistake we did like in the for looping. So it's normal.
Actually, our code is not modular. No? That is why indentation and other issue is coming. If we have break the code in for beautiful soup part in another one and another this actual scrapping part in another, that would be better.
I think it's done now or it's still going on. I think it's done now, right?
Yeah, completed.
Okay, now open this thing. Okay, cool. Go down, see the number. Numbers are working, right? Fine. Well, so guys, that's all. So in between we did some sort of mistakes, and as I told you, you all are allowed to do mistakes, and by the mistake we can only learn. So you see like we did some mistake in small a and w. W means write and we are a means append. So we are opening every time the files in write mode. So whatever you written in the last execution, it will be overwritten. So that is why only 20 records are coming. So now we are fixed that part, like we are not going to loop through that line again and again. So we keep that part like this outside of the loop, and after that we are just doing normal like appending. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like our channel, like our videos, like our other tutorials, we have many other tutorials on amazing topics. So just go through that. And if you have some sort of question, doubt, feedback, recommendation, suggestion, please come back to us. We'll always take criticism and positive things in a similar way. We think that by that only we are going to develop. Okay, so if you have some sort of like tutorial suggestion and all, you can definitely reach us by our Facebook page, our YouTube comment, or you can send us direct email. We always there to help you. And if you guys having some sort of trouble with some other topics or in this video and all, you can reach us always. And anyways, we are going to upload this code via our GitHub links, and those are actually coming for the first time to our tutorial. Requesting you guys please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and also give one like to our videos. And if you think these videos are going to help some of your friends, family, and who are relevant, please ask them to also to visit our channel. And possibly you can do something by sharing our videos like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, whenever possible. We are definitely would like to reach bigger audience, so that will also motivate us. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. And already weekend is over, but again it's still Sunday, so happy weekend.